So we got dim lights.
Hey, what? You can use this as.
Okay. First, we're just going to check the power to the. Yeah, so it's 9.1 is the voltage. Definitely not charging us. So we're en route to an electrical issue. The customer believes it's a converter. So he says he has dimming lights inside the camper. That's a classic, classic converter issue, I guess. We're going to do a diag first just to make sure. There's several reasons why the converter could be failing. So it could be a bad fuse. It could be bad. It could be a loose wire or anything like that. So, but we do have a converter on hand. So we're going to head out here, meet with the customer, do the diag on the converter. And if we need to change it, then we'll go ahead and change it. So my name is Reese. What's your name? Norman. That's right, Norman. Okay, so we'll do a diag and do a quick diagnosis on it, and then see what the issue is. I'm gonna check the batteries first, and then check around the other side is gonna be the 120 volt.
The battery's up on this end, yeah.
Okay, so let me check that. Okay. First, we're just gonna check the power to the. Yeah, so it's 9.1 is the voltage. Yeah. So that's definitely not charging. So this is plugged back here. Good there. How old is the battery?
The battery, I don't think, I just bought that battery here about maybe 2-3 months ago.
Okay. So 9.1 definitely is not charging. So
yeah, man, and it did. So I said, well, hell, ain't no sense. It ain't the damn battery because it's still doing it, you know.
okay.
So it's got to be the converter.
Yeah.
It's got to be the converter because go ahead.
Yeah. I'm just looking for the breaker box.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Got a light. And we got it out. There's no smell to it, but some of these things they overheat.
Yeah.
And they burn out.
Yeah, it got to the point it would cut on, and then it run for a while, man. Sometimes the last time it ran good for about 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
Then all of a sudden it cut off one day. I said, I've been back. My lights were going dim. I said, well, I guess he just got to his worst.
Yeah. So how long has it been? What
about that power from the breaker box out there?
Oh, I shut it off up here.
Oh, okay.
So the 50 amp is shut off. So do you recall doing anything to get it to Maybe did you smell anything? Maybe it burnt out or anything like that?
No, I never did smell nothing.
Okay.
I never did smell nothing. Let me get through there. Right. Times I wouldn't hear it running, and that's when the lights would go dinging.
Where the light at here? So the new one, we'll put that back in right there. Okay. So we got the ground in. See, 13.8.
God, dog.
Yeah, there
Just
you
that
go.
quick.
Just that quick. It's already charging. So, so pretty good. Yeah, there.
God, dog, big man. Shit.
There you go. It was ready to go.
God, dog.
So let's go ahead and put it back together.
Okay, I'll put that top back on there.
Yeah. How long have you been without a converter on there?
Man, it's been a little while. It ain't really been there because I knew I said I gotta locate somebody that can change this thing out, man. Because one of my neighbors, we be talking. I thought probably converter normal, and I said, yeah, I just gotta get me a technician out here and know how to change it out.
Yep.
Yeah, mine look like it's pretty simple.
Yeah, it ain't that bad. Pretty simple.
Yeah.
Just like I said, these things, these converters are just, you can keep this old one, but you have these two fuses right here at the top that protect it just in case you have a surge.
Wasn't one of them burn out or nothing?
No, none of them were burnt out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see the fuses.
The fuse is still good. Huh?
Fuse is still good. You can keep those for extra 30 amp fuses.
Yeah.
And then you got your 110, 120 plug that plugs into the back of the breaker box. That's where it gets the power from the distribution out there at the shore.
Yeah.
And then it just charges everything. So this one's working good. You can see one of the indications that you can tell, so you can hear the fan.
Yeah, you can hear that's what I would hear. I would hear this one there, the fan. I would hear it running.
So you'll know that it's doing bad.
Get it boy, the bad one right now.
Yeah, if the fan ain't working, then you know.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and put it back together.
Yeah, man, because I got,
Hmm.
I got tired of charging it.
You got tired of what?
I got tired of charging that battery up every day, man, because I had to, under your name, say your name what?
My name is Reese, but
Reese.
yeah, and I'll send you a receipt, and we got the converter in, so now
Yeah,
you shouldn't have no problem with that now.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
So if
yeah.
you need anything else, just let me know.
All right, man.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. So we completed the install of the converter, so the customer is very happy. So he doesn't have to run a trickle charger to his battery anymore to keep it charged. Um, it seems like the fan on the converter was going bad. It wasn't activating. So that's what cools it off when it gets hot, and the converter was just burnt out. For those who don't know, a converter basically is this a battery charger. So it converts the 120 volts to 12 volt to keep the battery charged, because campers have a variety of electrical. They will have a 12 volt and 120. So we got this project done. Um, Customer's happy, and he gave us a couple more jobs that we got to come out this weekend and do. So if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. And my name is Reese, and thanks for watching.